Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great out there. So today I'm making fish roll. So grab your fish and flour. Let's get cooking. So after washing my fish, I want to season and boil it with some onion, seasoning powder, salt and some pepper. So just allow it to cook. After cooking for, let me say 5 minutes, I flip it to the other side. That's how I like to cook it. We're not using the stock. Yeah, I'm not using the stock. So most times I like to kind of boil it dry so that the fish will absorb all the spice, you use in cooking it. Then after it has cooked to this total of like 10 minutes, so just debone it, okay? You need to take out all the bone. Okay, so now we're going to make the filling. So with some oil in your pan, add your onions, add your chopped carrots. You can add maybe bell pepper or green pepper, just to give it more colors, but I don't have that. I'm using only carrots and onions, and it still came out so beautifully well. So season it and add your fish. Okay, now some persons don't add thickener, but I just wanted to add thickener to this one. Most times I use thickener, sometimes I don't use thickener, depending on what I have in my kitchen. So that is a tablespoon of flour that I added, and that was it. Ready. So now on this flour I have 3 cups of flour. Oh, the butter was not measured, but I used kind of 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, so add some little water, add your baking powder, make it to a dough, and now we want to work on it. Okay, so after making the dough, now I kind of got this ball. I shared it into two anyway, and then I rolled it out. Okay, so after rolling it out, you already know how to roll your dough. If you don't know how to roll your dough, well, I have another video that I made on how to make meat pie. So the dough for meat pie and fish roll is actually the same. Even the filling, so for the meat pie, you're using meat. For the fish roll, you are using fish. So you can make it fish pie. You can even roll it like for that meat pie. You can also make meat roll. So no much difference, guys. So don't panic. There's no much difference. So that is how I roll out my uh yeah, the dough and the filling, and this is it. Then I cut it to my desired shape and size, so you can cut whatever you want, just as I did here. Fine, it's fine. You can make another shape. Okay, now if you're doing it for commercial purpose, it depends on what you want to achieve. Okay, but I'm doing it for home use, so I did it the way it come out so deliciously well, so fine. So after that, get your egg wash and apply it on it for that golden beautiful color. If you don't have egg, now that egg, I don't know. So if you don't have egg, you can bake it, but just that it will not be looking that very beautiful, attractive. So bake it for like 20 minutes on a medium high heat. And guys, your fish roll is ready. Can you see this? Oh, it's looking so great and it tasted so yummy. So okay, so if you have watched to this extent, please do us a people and give us a thumbs up. You and subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified. Okay. So wait, look at the inside. It looks so great, isn't it? All right. See you again. Bye.